No option. Now we are going ahead with next topic. Okay, next one, the second question. Ashwin, try to solve this question, Ashwin. X square minus 2x, okay, negative 2 and 3 minus x. Okay, Ashwin, see here, 2 3s are negative 6, right?
Ma'am, it is a
Negative
quadratic, ma'am.
minus plus how much? 2x. First solve it, then you check it out. Okay, yes, it is a quadratic
Ma'am,
equation.
I already solved it. I got it as S. Means it
Very
is
good.
quadratic.
Okay, it is 4x plus 6 equal to 0, right? Yes. Yes, it's a quadratic. Then try for all of them. And even Rishan, try. I'll just give you 5 minutes of time. So try for all the question. Third question. So do Rishan, third question. Do it. Tell me whether it's quadratic
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not. Yes. Yes, Dhruv. Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am.
to
Yes,
check
ma'am. Yes,
out
ma'am.
these are quadratic equation by solving. The first question what I did is very simple. X plus 1 the whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. So x square plus 1 plus 2x, I split it. A plus b the whole square formula. Next 2
Yes, ma'am.
into x minus 3. So 2 into x, 2x minus 6. So 2x, 2x get cancelled. But here x square plus 1 minus x square is equal to negative 7. X square plus 7 equal to 0. Where it is a quadratic equation, its highest degree is what? Dhruv?
4, ma'am.
2.
Oh, 2, yes, ma'am.
So that means
Yes.
it's a quadratic equation. So check out
Ma'am,
for the
third
second
one
one.
is not a quadratic equation.
Why it's not a quadratic equation? How did you check it?
Ma'am, at the end there's no square, so it's not a
At the
quadratic.
end, there is no square. There is no square. Yes, very good. Proceed with the next sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Dhruv, listen here. The third question I'm
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to solve for you. Okay. You see, x minus 2, okay, x plus 1 equal to x minus 1, x plus 3. We have it, isn't it? So how do we do it? X into x square. X into x into x square. X into 1, come on, 1x or
X,
2
ma'am.
into x, 2x. Okay, x into 1 plus 1x. 2 into 1, negative 2 equal to x
Yes,
into
ma'am.
x square. X into 3 plus 3x. Negative 1 into x, negative 1x. Negative 1 into 3, negative 3. So, x square and x square, ultimately it gets cancelled. So, for quadratic equation, the highest degree to be 2, but we lost it here. So, therefore, I say that it's not a quadratic equation. Therefore, I conclude it's not a quadratic equation. Understood now? Yes, Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Fourth question. Dhruv, try out this a fourth question. Now tell me, is it a quadratic equation or not? By Rishan. Yes, did you try
Yes,
this?
ma'am. I'll do.
Yeah. Did you try this sum, Rishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I did.
What is it? Whether it's a quadratic equation or not?
Ma'am,
What
but
is
I
your
got it
opinion?
wrong.
What you got it
Ma'am,
wrong?
I'm getting, ma'am, it is a quadratic equation.
Very good. Very good. X into 2x, 2x square. So x into plus 1, x. 3 into 2, it is negative, negative 6x. 3 2s are negative 6x. Minus 3, into 1, it is how much? Minus 3. And here x into x, x square. X into 5, 5x. Okay. So next step, 2x square minus x square plus x minus 6x is minus 5x. And here when I get this 5 to the other side, it becomes a negative 5x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now 2 times x square minus 1 time x square, it is just x square minus 5x minus 5x, it is minus 10x. Now minus 3 equal to 0. Yes, do you all agree? It is a quadratic equation whose highest degree of the variable x is seem to be 2. Understood now? Trishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come
Yes,
on,
ma'am,
next
understood.
one, try the sum by all of them and tell immediately the answer. Fast, what your time starts now.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I'll send you the Google Drive link. I'm here after I'm recording all videos. Okay, I'll upload it in the Google Classroom. So you can watch it anytime. Okay. So that because since it is a descriptive paper, each step has to be maintained, isn't it?
Ma'am, you said Google Classroom, ma'am.
Google Classroom, no, Google Drive link.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the fifth one, this is also an quadratic equation, ma'am. Is it correct?
Okay, what's the equation you are getting at fifth one? So let's wait for all of them. Is there everyone getting the same? Start multiplying. Check out is x square gets cancelled and x square, are you retaining it exactly? Come on, all of them. For the fifth one, what's the equation you got, Ashwin?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is
let me
this,
check
ma'am,
once,
are
ma'am.
these sums in the
Right.
textbook?
Yes, it is there in textbook 4.1 quadratic equation. Fourth question, I'm doing it.
Ma'am, can you give me 1 minute? There's someone on door.
Yeah. Yes, got answers for all the fifth one. Yes, Rishan, are you getting it? On my
Yeah, I'm
head.
getting.
So you are supposed to get the answer to be yes, x square minus 11x plus 8 equal to 0. Yes, it's a quadratic equation. Yeah, all of them getting it. Yes, proceed with the next sum. If you are getting the fifth answer, proceed with next sum. If you are not getting the answer, you can ask me how is this sum, how to do this sum. Yeah, it's quite easy and simple. Okay, you need to multiply and check out what is get cancelled, what you can group it. Yes, just simple. You have to multiply it. Yeah, multiply it. That's all. And check out whether the highest degree you're getting equal to 2. If you're getting equal to 2, then it's a quadratic equation. Yes, all of them agree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Come on, try the fifth, sixth sum. All of them, you are supposed to try the fifth sum. Yes, x square plus 3x plus 1. X minus 2, you can use the formula a minus b the whole square. All of them are you all using the formula? Did you
Yes,
try?
ma'am.
Is it a
Ma'am, which
quadratic
one?
equation?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
which
for
one?
me, it's getting us no. I'm getting it like it's not a
Oh,
quadratic.
oh, why? Why? Because there is no power, highest degree variable. How much? It's just 1. We get and 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Are you getting it? Yes or no? People. Sixth
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
1 second. Okay, I'm doing the sixth question. All are getting it. All are doing along with me. Try doing. Try to do this
Yes,
sum.
ma'am.
Come on.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing. Ma'am, sixth or fifth sum, ma'am. I'm doing the fifth sum.
I'm doing sixth sum. Fifth sum, you're still doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 minute. Yes. How do we do this sum? How to do x square plus 3x plus 1. Here x square plus 4. 2 into 2, 4x. So x square and x square get cancels up. So 3x, okay, 3x plus 4x, which is equal to 4 minus 1. That's equal to 3. So 3x plus 4x is 7x. So 7x minus 3 equal to 0, where it is not quadratic because the highest degree is not equal to 2. All of them agree?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not a quadratic equation. Understood now? Yeah. So now do the 7th question and 8th question. Check out, and here you have to use a minus b the whole cube formula. Yes, all of them do it and tell me. Dhruv has to say this question and Rishan has to
Ma'am.
say this question. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishan and Yashwin. Okay? You have to say this question. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you do the fifth sum for me?
Fifth sum.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the fifth sum says? Come on.
Ma'am, 2x minus 1.
Okay. 2x minus 1, x
Then
minus
x minus
3,
3.
x plus
X
5, x minus 1. Right?
Ma'am, can you show the question once?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have textbook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Open the textbook then.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, page number?
Check out 4.1. Which lesson? Fourth lesson.
Okay, ma'am. Page 73.
So, I'm doing this sum right now. So, 2 into x, 2x into x, x square. 2x into 3, 6, right? 6x. 1 into x minus 1x. 1 into 3 plus 3. Here x into x, x square. X into 1, negative 1x. 5 into x plus 5x. 5 into negative 1, negative 5. So 2x square minus x square, okay, minus 6x minus 1x and other term plus 1x minus 5x plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is just x square. Negative 6, negative 1, negative 5. So totally all together it is 12x. Minus 12x plus 1x, it is just 11x, negative 11x. Yes, Rishan, 3 plus 5, it
Yes,
is
ma'am, I got it.
8 equal to 0. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts you all have? If any doubts, you can ask the question. You can put up your questions here. Yes, people. All of them done? So Dhruv, are you
Ma'am.
ready with the answer?
Ma'am, one.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a plus b the whole cube formula? Come on, tell me first, Dhruv.
Ma'am, which formula?
Huh? A plus b the whole cube formula.
Ma'am, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3 a cube. Ma'am, 1 second. Yeah, ma'am, a cube plus b
Hmm.
cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square.
Very good. Yes. Plus b cube, right? A cube plus b
Yes,
cube
ma'am.
plus 3ab square and 3a square b and 3b square, 3a
Yes,
b
ma'am.
square. Correct, no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, is it a quadratic equation? What you got?
No, ma'am.
Ashwin?
It's not a
No.
quadratic.
Very good.
No, ma'am.
So, yes, it is not a quadratic equation. So, it is not quadratic equation. What about Dhruv? I mean, what about Rishan and Ashwin? Ashwin,
Actually,
No,
Next
I'm just
question.
not
Notes,
able to
ma'am.
get.
what not able to get? Why?
No, I
It-
think it is a quadratic.
It's a quadratic, okay, but how? See, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. And here what happened? A cube plus b 2a, I mean 2 into, I mean 3 into a into b square, okay, or 3 into a square b. So 3 into a square d, that is b is equal to 2 here. Correct na? 2. Yes. Do you agree? Yes, all
Yes,
of them.
ma'am.
Do you agree? Yes. Plus 12x minus 8. This is of a minus b the whole cube. What is the formula? A cube, yes, minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? Yeah. So now, or plus b cube. Okay, this is the formula. So based on this formula, we have to substitute and get the answer. Actually, on either side, x cube and x cube get cancelled. We are left with x square. So when I solve this, I would get 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. All of them, do you agree? Yes, do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
So next one. Yeah, this is done. We'll go ahead with the second question. One second. Yes. We have the second part of the question, that is, read someone question from textbook. Come on.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, represent the following situations in the form of
Represent the
quadratic.
following situation in form of quadratic equation.
Yeah, come on, read first part.
The area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find its length and breadth of the plot.
Very good. Now the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square, isn't it? So how do you do this question? Area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is in meters. One more than the twice its breadth. Okay, one more. Okay, one more. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So how would you choose this question? First one, let the breadth. Okay, just I will tell that let the breadth. Okay, breadth. Okay, breadth of the rectangular plot, we will take it as x meter. Okay, what we have to take? X meter. Understood? Next, the length of the plot. Now they have given, they're talking about, they're commenting on length of the plot. That is, read the question carefully. The length of the plot in meter is one more than twice its breadth, one more than plus one. Do you all agree? Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Okay. Now you know that area of the rectangular plot is length into breadth. Area of the rectangular plot is 528. Let me substitute. Understood? 528. I've substituted. Length is 2x plus 1. Breadth is x. X into 2x is 2x square. X into 2x. X into 1 plus x equal to 5 to 8. Yashwin, correct? 2x square plus x minus 5 to 8, Ashwin, equal to 0. Ashwin, see here. What is this, Ashwin? Quadratic equation, Rishan. Yes, no, we found it. We just bought this sentence in term of quadratic equation where I am very successful. Then I have to find out the value of x, substitute to get the value of, you know how we have to do a substitute in x to get the breadth, substitute in length. If they ask area of the plot, then you need to find out the x. Just they ask us to form a quadratic equation and succeeded. Understood now? Yes. So
Yes,
come
ma'am.
on, Ashwin, read loudly the second question.
Okay, ma'am. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integer.
Read still loud, can't hear.
Ma'am, ma'am, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So the similar question, it is very, very easy question. Product of two concepts. Product. What is the hint all you all getting? One is product. Product of something. I don't know what is it. Two consecutive positive integer. That means positive integer. So x and x plus 1. So two positive. Consecutive means what? Next number. Next number. Understood? Okay. So they might call you roll number 52, 51, come along, come on. Two pairs, you come along like that. Correct? So consecutive two pairs, right? Something like that. So two consecutive positive integer is the 306. Product of these two. One is x, one more is x plus 1. So x into x plus 1, product of these two, it is 306. We need to find out integers. Let's do it. Come on. Shall we? Yes. So first let the two consecutive. 1 second. Let all of them write down. Are you writing, people? Let the two consecutive integer, let the two consecutive integer be x. Next number immediately plus 1. Yeah? Yeah, no. If 7,
Yes, ma'am.
next number is what? 8. If it is a 10, next number is what? 10. but you're adding 1 not to get next number. So first number, if I consider x, next number is what? Come on, all of them. X plus 1. Now product of these two numbers, what ma'am? Equal to 3 not 6. So x into x square, x into 1 plus 1x, which is equal to 3 not 6. All of them agree, raise your hands.
Yes, ma'am. X square plus 1x
Yeah.
minus 3.
X square plus 1x minus 3 not 6 equal to 0. I hope you all know factorization, isn't it? Which is a quadratic equation. It's a quadratic equation. Okay, it's a quadratic equation, right? So which I found, they asked us to find that equation. That's all. They did not ask about what integer or what is that number. Yes, I'm succeeded in this too. Come on. Third question. Third question. What's the read? Ashwin, read the third question loud.
Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age.
Yes. Okay. Dhruv, read out again. Dhruv, where is your
Yes, ma'am.
textbook?
Yes, ma'am. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. Uh, we would like to find Rohan's present age.
Okay. So you all came to know, right? Twice you all read the question. So what you understood? So first we will
Ma'am,
take,
Rohan's age is X and Rohan's mother's age is
yes,
X plus 26, and then after 3 years Rohan's age will be 3 X plus 3, and Rohan's mom's age will be X plus 20 29 29 X plus 29.
okay, very good. Fine, you all tried your level best, very good. So let the Rohan's age be X years. See Rohan's mother's age, but now we'll take Rohan's age first. Then Rohan's mother's present age, Rohan's mother's, okay, present age. Present age is what? X plus 26. They told na 26 older than him. So that means X plus 26 years. Isn't it? Yes. Yeah. Next,
Yes.
after 3 years, what I'm going to tell, after 3 years, okay, Rohan's mother's age. Rohan's mother age is equal to X plus 26 plus 3 years, isn't it? So that means it is X plus 29 years, isn't it? Yes. Now, they told that Rohan's age is what after 3 years? What is after 3 years? Rohan's age is what? That is about Rohan's mother's age. Now coming to the point, Rohan's age, X plus 3. Isn't it? Yes. Yeah. What's the question? The product of their age in 3 years from product of age in 3 years. This two product, okay, will be equal to 360. The product of age in 3 years of both of them will be equal to 360. What we would like to find the Rohan's present age, but they are asking at the end, you have to form a questions, right? X into x, x square, x into 29, 29x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 29, what is 3 into 29? 87 equal to 360. So x square 29 plus 3, 32x. 87, 360 minus 87 is how much? 273 equal to 0. Understood? Yes, we formed the required quadratic equation. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts in this question? Any doubts in this question? All of them understood? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Now, Dhruv, read out the question loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait,
A
wait.
train trap. Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Ashwin, you understood this particular question?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't understand, tell me, I'll teach you again. Yes,
Ma'am, shall I read out?
yes.
A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 kilometers per hour less than it, uh, then it would have taken. That's all.
What then it would have taken? Read out. Where are you?
Ma'am, it's not given, ma'am. That's all it's given.
Yes, and see, look into this. 3 hours more
Oh,
to cover the same distance. We need to
we
find
need to
the
find the speed
speed of
of
the
the train.
train. What is this? Textbook error for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, let the speed of train be, everyone, you have to write in descriptive paper all this. No option. You don't have to get final answer. This is answer. I know it. Teacher expects each detailed answer where you get each step half, inch by inch mark. Understood now?
Yeah, understood.
So
Yes,
make
ma'am.
sure
Understood.
that keep up your mind. Okay. Prepare your mind to write everything. Now total distance to be covered is totally they have to cover 480 kilometer. Understood? Now what is the time taken? So time taken is nothing but speed divided by, distance divided by speed, isn't it? Yes, distance divided by speed, isn't? Yeah. Now we came to know what is the distance, 480. What about speed x? Okay, so decreased speed of the train. What they told, see, now a train travels 480 kilometer at uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 kilometer less, that means decreased speed. Now it is the speed is being decreased. Okay, decreased speed of the train. Speed of train. How much? X minus 8. Correct na? X minus 8 kilometer per hour. And then time taken, the distance is same only. The distance would be remained same only. Okay, no change. So time taken for this also distance by speed. Correct na? Distance by speed. So speed is equal to x minus 8. Distance remains same, 480. Correct na? Now more say to cover the same distance, we need to find out the speed of the train. So the difference, it took how many hours? 3 hours more. That means 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 480 by x. It has taken 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours more. Now we have to form a quadratic equation by taking x minus 8 comma x LCM. People, you have to practice these questions. Very, very important. Okay, very important. So 480 into x minus 480 into x minus 8. So divided by x minus 8 into x, which is equal to 3. Now 480 into x is 480x, isn't it? Yeah. 480 into x, again it is minus 480x. So 480 into 8, how much? Hello. Okay. It's been a big calculation. We will remove the 480, common 480 outside, isn't it? Yeah. So x minus here, my x minus 8. Okay. Right. Now denominator x minus 8 into x, which is equal to 3. Now look into the sum properly and carefully. See, look here, 480 as it is, x minus x minus of minus plus 8 minus x minus of minus plus 8, the whole divided by x minus 8 into x, which is equal to 3. Okay,